stone pelting, vehicles set ablaze, and lathi charges. This was the scene in Uttar Pradesh's Sambal district. The controversy began when a team of court-appointed surveyors arrived to Chandausi town to carry out a second survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid on November 24 to examine if a temple once existed at the site of the mosque. The attorney representing the temple is Vishnu Shankar Jain, son of Hari Shankar Jain.
सर्वे के दौरान सारे फीचर्स की स्टडी की गई, सारे परिसर में वीडियोग्राफी और फोटोग्राफी का काम जो माननीय न्यायालय का डायरेक्शन था उसकी कंप्लायंस की गई और अब ये सर्वे पूर्ण हो चुका है और अब माननीय एडवोकेट कमिश्नर महोदय अपनी रिपोर्ट कोर्ट के समक्ष 29 नवंबर से पहले या 29 नवंबर के दिन पेश करेंगे.
The service stems from a petition filed by a total of 8 petitioners that includes Hari Shankar Jain, who is also a lawyer in the Gyanvapi Mosque Kashi Vishwanath dispute, advocate Parth Yadav and Mahant Rishi Raj Giri, the Mahant of the Kalki Devi temple. They are claiming that the mosque, a protected monument under the Ancient Monuments Preservation Act, was built on the remains of a temple allegedly demolished in 1529 by Mughal Emperor Babur. For context, the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya was also built around the same time in 1528. Meanwhile, in Sambal, the temple's Mahant says he has evidence to prove that the Harihar temple was destroyed to construct the mosque.
जो 10 अवतार होने हैं उसमें से जो अंतिम अवतार है कल की अवतार वो इसी जगह पे होना है और इस जगह को हरिहर मंदिर के रूप में जाना जाता है, जिसको गलत ढंग से मस्जिद के रूप में प्रयोग किया जा रहा है और इसके सारे पुख्ता प्रमाण हमने कोर्ट के सामने रखे हैं.
Vishnu and his father have filed around 110 cases in various courts to represent Hindu deities and seek worship rights for Hindus, including high-profile disputes like the Krishna Janmabhoomi and Gyanvapi cases. Vishnu, who began his legal career with the Ram Janmabhoomi case in 2010, has become a key figure in cases challenging mosque sites. The legal battles often involve claims that mosques and monuments were built over demolished temples like the Tilewali Masjid in Lucknow, the Qutub Minar in Delhi, and the Bhojshala in Dhar. Hari Shankar, once associated with the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, has spent decades representing similar cases. The latest case sees Vishnu Jain emphasizing Sambal's spiritual significance, claiming it to be the prophesied site of Kalki, the 10th avatar of Vishnu. The petitioners argue that the monument, protected under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958, grants the public a right to access to protected monuments under Section 18 of the Act. Their plea urges the court to grant them access to the site they refer to as Sri Harihar Temple, currently known as the Shahi Jama Masjid in UP Sambal. And since then, tension has been brewing in Sambal. Reacting to the survey of Jama Masjid, Samajwadi Party MP from Sambal, Ziaur Ahmad Bark said,
मुस्लिम समाज के लोगों को जो टारगेट कर करके काम किया जा रहा है इस प्रदेश और देश के अंदर, इससे ज़्यादा बुरा हाल शायद आज़ादी के बाद में कभी नहीं हुआ होगा. और जिस प्रकार प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का उल्लंघन किया जा रहा है, जब पार्लियामेंट ने एक कानून बना दिया 1991 में कि 1947 15 अगस्त में जो धार्मिक स्थल मस्जिद नहीं, जो भी धार्मिक स्थल अस्तित्व में है उनके साथ किसी प्रकार की कोई छेड़खानी नहीं होगी, वो अपने उसके अंदर ही रहेगा.
Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak said that the survey at the mosque in Sambal was being carried out under the orders of the court and that a fair investigation would be carried out in the violent incident that claimed the lives of at least 4 and injured many.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.